This 2026 Keystone Cougar 350LLK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Salem, Oregon, 97305 and is offered for sale by Highway Trailer Sales. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 39 feet 3 inches in length and features a UMBER LUXE interior, sleeps 4, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, skylight, spare tire kit, microwave, oven, stovetop burner, self-contained, TV, LP detector, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, mid-living area, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Keystone Cougar 350LLK is 12,040 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.